it's Haley, and I am back with another video. So, I'm a little bit worried. I did a really good hour-long craft with me, and it was in 2 separate pieces. My fiance put them together, but for some reason, one of the 30-minute sections repeated, so it looked like at the end, so the video was like an hour and 40 minutes. YouTube has an editor, and I went online, and it was like you hit the trim button and you put it in the box, but what you put in the box is what you want to keep, and everything else is trimmed off. That makes no sense. So, needless to say, I'm going to have to re-upload it. I hope the video isn't lost because I don't have it on my phone anymore. But what I did in that video was a lot of embellishments for the Bright Traveler's Notebook that I'm sending to my friend. I did the embellishment on the front of this. Made a little embellishment here. This little circle part was done by a sweet lady named Serena Nagler, and then I just added a banner and the word blessed. Made this tag in the video before that at the little craft with me at the end. I just added that little bit. What else? Oh, then added a bit more to the tags. Come on, come on. And put a little rickrack at the top and tied a bow to make the little pull tabs. I think they're pretty cute. And then, of course, altered the little booklets. Just put a little embellishment cluster at the top of each of them. Da, 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 da. I love this little vellum piece. Miss Laura Decker, I love her. She had printed some things out on vellum and sent me some little vellum ephemera things that she made. So that's where that's from. So is that what we did? I think so. And then, so this was actually a note card and envelope set that Renee had given me. And I'm putting little bits that I just want to send her in here so that she can, you know, decorate herself and do what she wants. And I also, this was made by Serena, I also would like to start clipping things in and putting them in tuck spots, because I think I'm not going to glue stuff down. I think that's what I'm going to do, just because I want her to be able to like work in this, you know. So I want this clipped at the back, but I have to decide if I should just go ahead and send her the big one, and I could wrap you know, pretty ribbon around it, tie it in a bow, and she could decide. I can't decide. So what I do want to do is start putting these in here, and this will be in the middle. So I wanted the gingham kind of catty corner. It all kind of matches but doesn't. That's how I like it. This is just some writing paper. This would be good to put a sheet on, right? Hold on, there's a different one that... Alright, first page. I want this, I think, just clipped to the cover. It says with love, like made with love. And then this I want on a tuck spot that is on this side, so that you can see the So Happy. And she can put that over a photo or whatever she wants. And the front, I think I'm going to put the big tag. I know obviously if I was adhering things down and doing stuff, I would do it differently. But again, I want her to be able to do this and on how she wants it. This little embellishment. Ooh, when you get to this side, they are blank on this one. put a little clip there. Let me grab my paper clip bundle and start a clipping. Woo! I think it's pretty cute. So, what kind of clip should we do? I don't know if that blue is too much, or if I should just do a little gold clip. You can't go wrong with a little gold clip. Medium-sized gold clip. I was thinking or a spiral, but I don't want it to detract from this. See, the problem with just clipping these in is all these little bits are going to hang out. What you gotta do, what you gotta do, huh? There we go. I think kind of a larger clip holding that on there. I like that. Did a lot of pink, so maybe a yellow. Maybe. But it has to be strong enough to hold it down at the same time. Oh. There's not really stars in this collection. I had a little yellow like banner. Could have sworn I did. That's the blue. And I do like that. You know what? Let's pull in this little, the peach. You know, in theory, it sounds good to clip all these in, but let's see how it's going to work in the execution stage. Alright, yeah, alright. Not too bad, not too bad. Leave that there. On, let's see what pages we have right here. I want this in the back, and I may do a little embellishing on that as well. This, I want to do one of the larger books, the pink and blue. Oh, let me see if that one's long enough on this side. Can be there for now. This pretty mint. What if we put that in there for now? And see, I wanted to get stuff kind of in here so that I could see what else I needed. Which is a lot, apparently. Is this pink? That's blue. Alright, I like that there. Now let's do... got pink, mint, and gold. But I don't want to do all pink, mint, and gold with that. Oh, I have a little pink heart that kind of matches the middle thingy thing. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. I like it a lot. Wonder if doing it at the bottom like this. No. Yeah, I'm really hoping that that craft with me isn't lost, because I actually got quite a bit done. Get a little goofy at the end, but you know, what do you expect from me? That's a lot of stuff, but there's still a lot of spaces. Okay, so we have this in here, and I really do think it needs to be in this, and then she could decide what she wants to do. All right, let's get to making a few more things so that we can get this sent off to my friend. I actually want to keep this handy so that I can fiddle around. All right, I did make this little glassine bag, but I wanted to make a couple things that weren't so like sketchy with like ripped edges. Here's the embellishments and things that like intend to use, that I pulled out, that I intended to use, stuff that I was working on. So you can put some of these on the page. This is where I'm going to write her little note. I don't know if I will send the embellishments from other people, but I don't know. Okay, let's see what we can do with these and then see what else we need. All right. I want this here kind of on the corner. And I would choose kind of like a white or, ooh, I only have one of these, but you know, it would just really look good there. Did I use gold or, yeah, gold right there? Let's see. I thought those are like a cream. No. You'd think I'd have, with as many things as I have in here. Ooh, black with that. Let's do something black. Okay, these are the same. Let's do that. That is just real big for right there. I just feel it is. I feel it. It's just very 3D. You know what? Kind of like that there. It's still going to be bulky, but hey. What pretty color do we want to pull out? I hear some talking out there. Hold on. Alright, sorry about that. The dogs were on the porch, so I didn't want... I'm going to move this black to where the tag is and then change that there. The dogs were outside on the porch, and I just want to make sure someone, you know, wasn't coming up. A neighbor or something that needed to speak to me. I don't know. It was just a YouTube video playing, or was it? I think I have Netflix going on in there. Something is playing in there, and that is the voice I heard. Ridiculous. All right. I like this. And I will pull something teal, I think, to put with that. Just make sure I get the right color of minty tealy prettiness. It's pretty close. What is in this pocket? Ooh. See, I think I could do red, but I really like the blue. Which looks better with this? I think the cactus does. No, this one. So what do you guys think? My friend, you know, it's not like we are specifically crafting buddies. We actually met on Depop. And yeah, she was going through a lot and I was going through a lot at the same time, and we just kind of became friends. She lives in Pennsylvania. But yeah, and she had just sent me a package out of the blue last week, and she was like, I'd just been thinking about you and wanted to send you something, and she didn't even know I was actually planning on making her, myself and her, one of these at the same time, but I'm going to send it all to her. I'll put that on one of the yellow pages. Embellishments. What about that? I want to do like different things, but you know, coordinating, just matching, making sure. No. They're like, I wonder if like just gold would go good with that. Just something gold. Cute little ice cream cone. I like it. Yep. That, or I know I have pineapple. color. I have a heart. I think I like the heart better. Ooh, bows. I've got a bajillion and one bows that are really cute and I want to use. I don't know if I want to do a really big clip on that one or one of these like cute smaller ones. I know, it's a toss-up. Let me do the little one, actually. Okay. And then, what is this? This pinky pink. This on this one and this on this one. Yeah, I want that. On this one. So I know that, again, this isn't like the normal one that I would do, but we didn't meet crafting and she doesn't, I don't know what she likes. You know, it's not like she has a YouTube crafty channel and to see how she does things. But when she sent me that surprise package, it was, she wrote me a little note and it was written on scrapbook paper. So, or, you know, patterned paper. So I know she's does some things. And she also sent me a while ago a really cool, like a cute little altered barrette that she had some like decoed in on, like little acrylic pieces. And she also made me a little necklace out of like some natural crystal, like a little crystal that she found. Maybe she bought, I don't know, but it was cool. I like the yellow for that. Show you a pink for that page. No. Yellow. I don't have a huge variety of yellow shapes, but I have these yellow stars. I know they're not technically like, but all of these things are just kind of a mishmash, and she can take all the clips off, take everything out, set it out, and do whatever she wants. Use the clips in here, don't use the clips in here. All her choice. All right. Nice little simple one. Pull in the black from that page. I'm okay with that. Ooh, I have a green that I can use with that. This is cute. Do you guys think this is okay? The whole clipping thing? Now it's like packed back there and nothing at the front. That's what I do. Do it well, screwing things up. Oh, I want to add these. I know there was, let me see. I want these two together, but if I moved these two to that side, let's see. I could still do it. These are sewed down, the Franken pages, so I need to clip it on. Could do this one, and this one, and that one. I like them this way. Okay, clips, really pale pink on that one. And I know I have that. Yeah. And I wonder if I have something that like funky golden. I have that like nudie looking color, but it's not quite right. I don't know how much closer I could get to that unless I just do a gold thing, which is probably what I'm gonna do. Heart. A diamond would look good on that page. Yep. Okay, let's do something with these. Put that away for now. Okay, especially a lot of the little things, they can go in tiny tuck spots, like shallow tuck spots, if you will. Like I could put, it's a little much, something in there. Ooh, I love that colory patterny thing. Yup. And then let's not go crazy on this side again. I could put something in there with that. I want to pull in some of the baby blue. I don't think I have anything over here that's got a lot of blue. This is like a mint. Renee made that. This is a little journaling spot. I'm putting that there. Okay. Okay, now we have this place. A lot of yellow and blue. Okay. I feel like that needs something. It's almost like contrasting. That's kind of pretty. Choose to shine. All right, let's grab something for that. Should I do it in blue so it matches that? Let's just try it. Put the little side on this. All right, there we go. Actually, I want it there. don't know if I want to like make sure every kind of spread has something, but kind of like those together. Slide that in. This needs something. If I clip those together. Like this one. I like the hugs. This was made by Serena Nagler. That little embellishment. Yeah. And I think I did a lot on that side. That sounds like my voice in there. I'm sorry, I'm being a little distracted. Okay, let me grab something for that. Let's do a little gold piece. And let's do that little gold heart I had out. That looks like it's a little tight, but it's gotta be tight enough to hold it, so catch 22. Yeah, that was dumb. There we go. Yep. Maybe I'll do it more. Where's the center? No, I like it up there. And I will grab a mint. A mint something. Right. I know that has like that little faux kind of goldy looking. I haven't used any of these. Yeah, you're gonna need that. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. That little thing there. Just gonna slide that little thing in there just because. And something there. Like that. And something in these. Let me see what they're looking like. Oh yeah, it's getting big. I don't know if this was a good idea, all this clipping in. I am going to put this on this page. With something borrowed, something new, something old, and something new. There's a Prima collection that I didn't even get that it was about weddings and stuff. And then because it was like something blue. Yeah, something blue. It was one of the first pads I got, a little 6x6 pad at Hobby Lobby. And I ended up, of course, pulling out the wedding specific stuff to put with my wedding stuff. Don't want to put a whole bunch more of really thick paper clips in here because it's getting a little crazy as it is. Now, I think I'm going to stop there. Now, the question and issue is binding, because there's a center. Oh. I was just kind of holding it closed with this. Actually, it may, now that it's like thicker, hold a bit better. It's still not going to be like functional and safe. But I do have a smash band somewhere. I saw it down here. Maybe I actually put it where it goes. Un momento. I am going to just make one for this journal. I know I have. Let's do that. Okay, so now I have to decide if I want a band like this or if I want to do the ribbon thing again. Do you have some pretty mint? Hold on. All right. I have this rickrack, and because I use rickrack throughout, I think that would be the best idea. Just have to find where the end is. It was actually just like tucked in on the last one, like barely. I'm gonna just open this if I can. Oh, come on. I feel like that's just the end of it, not like it tucked in. Let's see, what is this? Ta-da! Okay. Rickrack isn't, it's not like when you wrap like, seam binding or like lace. Obviously this is going to be different, and need to decide how long I want it and how much, how many times I want it to go around. How about that? Here, we'll just, I guess I don't need all of it, but I need this end a little bit longer. And then this around. This isn't turning out as great as I had hoped. Just, I don't know. It just doesn't seem as finished or as polished. But it's not like something obviously that I would sell. And like if I was doing some crafty stuff for someone that, you know, I know how they craft and what they like, it would be a little bit different. But I don't want to stick down a bunch of stuff she doesn't like and won't use. You know? You know what I mean, Joe? Alright, I think that's how it's gonna be. Make this one slightly longer. And I will go through and fiddle fart with that. What do we think? What do we think, guys? Let me do this one more time and alright. So that's how it's gonna be. And open it to where it's like this, and really she could make a couple of them out of this maybe. And it will say, with love. She's got these little pockets. Little bits tucked in here and there. I don't know. This was like my warm-up project, but I still don't feel like it's as great as it could be. I wish I had a little something tuck in there. And then these, I think these look cute like that. Maybe something in there, I don't know. Got that, I'm happy with that. And then this is her little envelope with some extra stuff. What is in here? Because maybe we could use those to put some bits in here. We could go ahead and put these in those spots I thought was a little blank. All right. That's it. In there, I think. Let's try the pink and then we'll see if the green fits where I want it. Something over here. All right, I'll remember that tab. I may go there unless I find a better spot. All right, yep, it's going right there. Right here with a pink clip. And I definitely have plenty of pink. Should I do like a little banner? Or let me see if I have like a round spiral. I don't know, that's kind of weird looking. Looks a little odd actually. You know what? We need some gold in there. That's what I want right there, is gold. And since that's green, do a coffee cup like Starbucks. How about that? I like it. Okay, so for now, this is how it is. Now, please, if you ever comment again, please let me know what you guys think, what it needs, and yeah. I do kind of like how that looks. And if I change anything up, I will let you know, do how I did it. Or whatever I did. Jeez. This isn't going as planned, actually. Okay. Alright, well, I'm going to fiddle with this, close it up, and you all Let me know what you think. Let me know what it's missing. And yeah. So I will talk to you all soon. Thanks. Bye.